Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we are going to talk about the definition of translation and the use of translation in language learning.
So grab your notes, get ready to learn,
And let's get started.
Hello guys, before you focus on listening to our educational material, allow us to introduce ourselves, namely M. Adis Ahirian, Anugrah Saputra, Husnul Madinah, Fazia, Siti Fatimah, Ervi Yuniar, and Rahma Maulidatun. That's all the introduction for us. Now, let's focus on our first educational material.
I would like to provide the definition of translation. So, the basic definition of translation is converting written or spoken material from one language into another while maintaining the original meaning. It helps people understand content across different languages. Translation can be defined as the result of a linguistic textual operation in which a text in one language is reproduced in another language.
Now, let's move to the next material is about the use of translation in language learning. The point A is helping understand new words. Translation helps learner grasp the meaning of unfamiliar words by linking them to their native language, speeding up vocabulary acquisition.
The material, improving grammar awareness. When learning new words in a foreign language, translating them into your native language helps. It connects the new word to something familiar, making it easier to remember. For example, translating the French word chin to dog in English makes it easy to understand. Over time, this method builds a strong vocabulary, helping you speak the language better.
Okay, next. Third, enhancing reading comprehension. By translating text, students engage more deeply with content, ensuring they fully understand the meaning of the text.
Material, supporting and speaking skills, assisting with speaking and listening abilities, enhancing listening and speaking abilities in a foreign language can be accomplished with the help of translation. Learners actively interact with the language's sounds, rhythms, and patterns as they interpret spoken words or dialogues. Through the process of translating content from the target language into their mother tongue, students gain proficiency in recognizing important words, phrases, and sentence structures. Their ability to distinguish between accents, tones, and speaking rates improve as a result, improving their listening comprehension. Similar to this, students gain confidence in speaking when they practice translating ideas or spoken words from their home language into the target language.
This material is intercultural communication. Translation is more than just copying words verbatim. It also involves cultural and contextual awareness. Students gain a greater understanding of cultural differences and similarities through translation, as language reflects the custom and worldview of its speakers. Proverbs and idioms can have complex cultural connotations that are difficult to translate. Students' cross-cultural communication abilities are enhanced as they gain understanding of the target culture via the interpretation of this. Comprehending cultural subtleties is essential for proficient communications. By assisting pupils in navigating variations in social norms and communication styles, translation promotes empathy and adaptation in a variety of situations. Their capacity for meaningful cross-cultural communication is improved by this increased cultural knowledge.
I will explain the material about aiding in test preparation translation exercise. Aiding in test preparation translation exercise can help learners prepare for language proficiency tests by engaging their comprehension and usage of vocabulary, grammar, and sentence structure. I think that's all. Thank you.
So that's all our educational video. We hope this video can be beneficial for you. Thank you for your attention.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.